Hello. So it's been many days since a Lego video, and that has been because of all these exams that I've been giving, which leaves me with no time to build these guns. But finally here I am back again with this shotgun, pump action shotgun. Pump action means that to reload the gun you just have to pull this back, and that resets all the mechanisms. Now you may remember this basic design from my previous pump action guns, and I have borrowed the basic mechanism from there, but I've made many changes. The magazine, for example, now it drops down instead of popping up, so this gives me a much flatter profile, and also I can have much larger capacity. On my earlier guns I used to have just 4 bullets. This one can carry 9. Also now the trigger is much more reliable than on my previous guns, and it doesn't get stuck if you load the gun without a bullet in the magazine as it used to do in the earlier ones. This thing has really impressive range, power and accuracy, so I would say that this is my second favorite gun up till now.